This got here really fast, and let's do this. Can't believe this made it from China in like 4 days. Oh, getting angry. Goodbye. Hope I did not just hit a dog. Please tear here. All right. We're in. I thought we were in. We're in. Okay. AI-powered smartphone stabilizer, the Insta360 Flow. That one was stone gray. I was going to get the white because I have a lot of other white stuff, but I don't know. I just felt like stone gray this time. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's magnetic. Oh, that is tiny. Look how tiny that is. Oh, look, there's a tab here. Oh, pull the tab up. And look at this guy. Let's see what else is in the box. Something there says Insta360. I'm guessing that's the magnet clamp because I did not get the creator kit. It came with a lot of nice cables, but they were cables I already had. All the goodness. The magnetic clamp. USB to USB-C cable. Stick it on. Oh, there is room so it doesn't hit the button. What is this? Oh. Nice storage bag. I'm guessing this can go over the handle, give you a nice grip. Looks like you just flip it up. Just slide that on there. Nice. Now I have bigger hands, so I'm guessing I'm going to want to pull the tripod out a little and not use it as a tripod, just to give me a little extra grip. Satisfying little peel, and just like that, out of the box. Wow. Like, wow. Another peel. Oh, that is so easy to change modes. And there's haptic feedback too. Check this out. You probably can't hear it because I'm wearing my my wireless mic. But that is so easy. Opening my Insta software. What's All right. See my device already? I'm clicking on it. New firmware found. Start the download. Got it. While we're updating, let's take a closer look at the tripod. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now, do they? I want to see something. If I just pull down the handle, it won't open. It stays locked until you pull the metal. We're at 40%, 60%. Update successful. Activate device, confirm. Activated, confirm. Requires permission while using the app. Microphone permissions while using the app. Start shooting. So just so you know, while this is capacitive, you can't click it. So in order to take a photo or video, there's actually a little click to the wheel. I'm talking about the black face on the wheel, not the side zoom wheel, which I like. Well played. Oh, I really like that. It doesn't turn all the way around. It's spring loaded, so you just do a little bit and then you let go, it goes back to center. Haha, I hit it once and it's tracking me. Let me go behind my tripod. Oh, look at that. Boom, boom. Okay, this is awesome. Look at this. Look at this, I'm going over here. Oh, now I'm going over here. And it found me. It didn't like just give up. It is following me. So initial impressions compared to the other ones, it is small. It might actually fit into my jeans pocket. I'm gonna put it through the ringer and get back to you with a full report rather than just, you know, sitting here, play with it like I always do. My concerns with it, just playing with it, is range of motion, and that's it. Really, range of motion. I'm really liking it. Okay, I'm gonna go play with it. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll talk to everyone later. This is Digital Chad Tech.